Kumza lising mga chamapan marifutara mapangi Kargil Warda lepak kidamak thawai katokhraba India ki lanmi singda ikai khumnaba utpa Kargil Vijay Divas ki thoram Manipur da sunga si state ki thakta pangthokhrei. Pakistan Army ki bomb attack da chahi asigi me tara mathoida thawai thakiba Manipur da ki BSF ki 3 suba battalion ki constable Deepak Chinga khamgi thauna lingjel na hauna na ningsingkhrei. Palace compound laiba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFTS ki holda pangthokpa thoramadu Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla Amadi DGP Rajiv Kumar na maruiba mitunglen singoy na sarukya ke Manipur lenga ke civil amadi police ki makok thongba official kya so sarukya ke national anthem saktuna hodokhiba thoramadu Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na mahaki warol thamnaduna hai leipaga sigya punba ki saktam ngak na hotnabada yeknaba singi lantheng da thawai thakraba lanmi sing tungi mirol na adumak ningsingduna lehauragani Chahi sigi me tareta Pakistan sponsor tauba terrorism ki thawongda Jammu and Kashmir ki Pahalgam da terrorist Micham Singh kaya hat khiba madi asok apan nanghan khiba dugi matik jaba paukhum pibo ina chathakhiba Operation Sindur da Pakistan amadi Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK ki mafam singda leiba terrorist ki infrastructure mapan thugai ke masimak na India asi terrorism ki mayokta lepa leibak amani haiba mayek singna takle hai Governor na makataraduna state asi mahusagi ing tapa amadi marachet pa punsirol da hanjilakna na state police central armed force amadi civil society organization singna Punna Thabak Touri haike
In the ethnic violence in the state of Manipur, many have lost their lives and thousands have been internally displaced. The government has taken various steps to solve the crisis and restoring peace and confidence. The joint operation of combined team of state police, armed forces has been able to recover numerous arms and ammunitions over the past few months. The state has been returning to peace and normalcy with the collaborative efforts of the government, armed forces, and civil society organizations. Numerous insurgents involved in extortion, including cyber-facilitated schemes and funding militia groups, have been arrested during an intensified crackdown in recent months. Manipur Police has launched an anti-extortion cell and confidential helpline bringing together state police, CAPFs, Assam Rifles and Army personnel to streamline complaints and protect citizens from unlawful demands. Multiple checkpoints have been strategically established across the hill and valley districts on the national highways to ensure essential supply of vehicles, supply of food and medicines.
Madana Saruk Yakiba Manipur ki DGP Rajiv Singh na hai lamdamasi da law and order ngak naba state police amadi central armed force ki apun operation da jing amasung tampak ki mafam kaya di lo na yadana pairamba kusukulai nongmai maru vom amadi atri polam kaya fagat pangamle Indo Myanmar border da changshilakpa illegal immigrants sing Khandokpagi Thabak so special task force semduna akan mamong da chathari haike lamdamasi ki naha singna hingsa thadokuna Manipur amadi India ki yaifa khongthang da saruk yamina si haina sumiyam da appeal tauki
Manipur has a proud legacy of contributing brave sons and daughters to the armed forces and police. Their martial spirit is alive today in our collective efforts to preserve peace and order. Over the past few months, in the face of great adversity, Manipur Police, along with Central Armed Forces and sister agencies, has undertaken a series of determined operations to restore law and order. These efforts have resulted into recovery of thousands of looted arms and large quantities of ammunition and explosives from both hill and valley districts. I appeal to the youth of Manipur to reject violence and dedicate themselves to the service of the state and the nation. Your energy, discipline, unity are vital for building a peaceful and a progressive future. I also take this opportunity to thank the people of Manipur for their patience, resilience, and continued cooperation with the law enforcement agencies.